(2019) Lamborghini Urus first drive. Conspicuous consumption all but assures the 2019 Lamborghini Urus will be a hit. Low production numbers and high demand make for an exciting option for drivers who need something more glamorous than a Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR, but not as outlandish as a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. After testing Lamborghini's new SUV in the desert outside Palm Springs, California, it's safe to say the price is right and the performance is real. This is both a true SUV and a true Lamborghini. The Urus look can be described as seriously Lamborghini in the same way that the Porsche Panamera can be described as seriously Porsche. The design reflects the brand, as it should. Lamborghini's head of design Midja Borker did a good job of taking design cues and influences from throughout Lamborghini's history, incorporating lines from as far and wide as the LM002, the brand's first SUV, affectionately known as the Rambo Lambo, and as far back as the Miura. The Urus is hexagonal as hell and angle-y as can be, but all the sharp edges come together in a symphony of cohesive design. It's a form that looks as if it's in motion even at a standstill. The cabin is a work of art, although it's a sculpture we've seen before from the Volkswagen Group. Function follows form, especially in the aircraft-like drive mode, gear selector apparatus. There's some applied design, some unnecessary flourishes, but nothing objectionable. Mostly, luxury is everywhere in a landscape of quality finishes, stitches, surfaces and hexagonal design elements. It's an environment of rich high-end leather, Alcantara, aluminum, carbon fiber, and wood finishes, although thankfully, not all at once.